Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tibetan writer and I really welcome you all for this channel and for this vlog. This time I'm going to explore a new place which is very famous in Himachal Pradesh. So for me this time is my very first time to visit there. And also I'm very excited because I'm going to take my hunter over there. This is my second motor travel to a new place. So I started bike and I was really positive. So my mind stay very calm and then we start to move. But suddenly my friend shot to me and that he said, "Your indicator something wrong." And I even didn't notice that. When we checked, then I found that my indicator light was broke. I mean, yeah, it's kind of broke. So I even didn't notice that who did this. And when it happened, I don't really remember anything. So maybe this is bad luck for me, and I don't want to blame anybody. At the beginning, I was frustrated to saw this thing and to happen such things on my bike because my bike is much, very much, new. Yeah. So, and later I think that yeah, this kind of things will happen because maybe some people jealous about it. Maybe they don't like. Somehow I have to fix this. And then we searched Dukan to set up this because if I don't set up now, then the indicator light will be damaged and the wire will be cut. So it's better to repair before I got far place, right? So
他球名多少的？他球名多少？你那几月是不是？
then after we plan to look for some mechanic and fixed my indicator light. And after that we left.
你干啥我都给。都是那些人的学是不是？
So guys, we found the mechanic shop and then we fixed everything as before, and then it took around half an hour. I kind of waste time, but somehow I need to fix that. So after that, then we straight forward to the destination. So guys, from my location to BIR lane of Himachal Pradesh, it will take almost 2 hours because we need to cover it around 62 kilometer. Yeah, so it's for those who ride very professional and very skillful very fast, then it will take exact around 1 hour and 40 yeah, something 2 hours maybe. But the rider like me as a beginner, I think it will take more time because we need to very conscious and we need to very careful, right? So I don't want to get some run on my ride. I mean, I don't want to hit anybody and I don't wish that they hit us. So yeah, we will try best. And so those friends who visit Dharamsala and Himachal, they may know this place, which is considered one of the most famous and beautiful place.
他整完了呗。他就是。
预警的适当，这都得别靠个抗警戒凶说。
啊，
Okay, good stuff.
Hello guys, welcome back to Tibetan Writers channel, and today we're going to BIR. BIR is one of settlement in the Dharamsala location, Himachal Pradesh. Thank you. Pranta with achar or chole, aloo chole.
पेटीएम करो.
पेटीएम करो, इसके बाद पेटीएम करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, guys, after taking some rest and a delicious brunch, now we'll continue our journey to the place where we plan to visit today. Yeah, so over there, my friend, he's going to get some petrol for his bike, and then after that, we'll be continue our journey. So, hope you enjoy that. Yeah.
नंबर जिन तंगाया शक्ति. किधर में देखा.
कितना 50
मतलब
500 नमनू सा
लुक.
दोस्तों चलते हैं फिर ये मंजिल के रास्ते में हम चलते हैं मंजिल के रास्ते में हम चलते हैं ये है प्यार ये है प्यार ये है जीवन आज मैं हिंदी की गाना थोड़ा सुनना चाहता हूँ यार रास्ता बहुत खराब है यार रास्ता खराब है
Guys, don't you believe that we got on the wrong track? My friend certainly stopped in the middle of the road and he said that I think we are on the wrong track. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. I think we need to go back around almost maybe 5 kilometer, maybe 7 kilometer. Oh my goodness, this is so bad.
시퀄레 송 당아서
다음은 뭐네 내려다 여기 가서 봐. 어디 가래 베르실로 갈래. 어디 가래 앞나 수소 지라이나 니.
Hi， 今儿啦，坐等的去纽约，你的所谓之多，这不是这么一点我呢，行吧？明天我是多的，Hi。走啊走啊，看人你先马行，得几走啊，看人你先马行，你再走啊，看人你给马行。走啊走啊，看谁你先马行，一点点那，既然俺都远那，你最点那，既然俺都远那，一年年什么的。啦啦，一年啊，上街不当啦啦，走啊